Grayling have really thin little scales, kind of like a trout. So when you fry them in oil, the scales get crispy, kind of like potato chips. Got some of our bread dough. Got our crowberries here. Ain't fancy, but got warm bread, melted butter, and honey. Putting some hot crowberries on them. And I got crispy grayling. Grayling's just a real clean white meat. It's very similar to bluegill. No, skin's the best part. Oh, that's hot. I'm full. But yeah, it's 7 o'clock and I'm pretty tired. I think I'm gonna go and just button up everything and get ready for bed. Good morning. I'm really glad I got my thermal pants on though. Yeah, it was totally worth the trip. There we go. Till the bread's fermented nice. Bread dough will last 3 or 4 days in the bag like this. Then eventually it just becomes sourdough. All right. Got a little bit of the crowberry sauce left. Oh, there we go. Little fry bread. I'm gonna try really hard not to stain my sleeping bag. That's good. That was very good. It's almost exactly the same temperature it was yesterday morning, but I am so much warmer. Having my thermals on my legs made a huge difference, and I woke up warm instead of waking up cold. Not having it raining and having the humidity lower sure helps too. This has been a great campsite. I can't believe I haven't seen or heard anybody. There's just thousands of places just like this in Alaska. The biggest problem is picking where to pull your car over and start walking.